First time my family moved out and packed up to go to a brand new house. I like my old home, the new one was strange. When nothing is wrong, then who wants to change? I complained to my dad with tears in my eyes, feeling weird inside, and here's his reply. Hey kid, I know how you feel right now. You might pout, but soon you'll be like, wow. A month will pass, son, a fast one. And when that's done, you'll love your new home just like the last one. I know that's hard to understand, it must be. Sure enough, but it's part of growing up, trust me. Some things you can't see till you're already there. You just gotta believe. I know it's not really fair when you're up in the air. You search for the reason, and life keeps changing like a circle of seasons.
Bad days will go away, sunlight will chase the rain, those wounds will heal and end the pain. The only thing that's sure is change, change, change. What sure is change.
Yeah, and I remember the first time I lost a good friend, a friendship that I thought never would end. If I understood then what I understand now, I'd have known that life isn't something planned out. What it's all about is you gotta follow your heart, even if that leaves friendships falling apart.